Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer in Arc. We'll cover an easy method to brew your own refreshing beverages. First, we'll gather the necessary ingredients, then craft your very own beer barrel. Next, I'll guide you through the simple fermentation process. Finally, you'll learn how to collect and enjoy your homemade brew, understanding its benefits and effects. Let's get started. To begin your brewing journey, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, gather 60 units of thatch, easily found by harvesting trees. Next, collect 40 berries, any type will do, so pick what's readily available. Crucially, you'll need 120 units of water. A water skin or a tap connected to a water source works perfectly. Having these items ready is your first step to delicious Arc beer. Now let's get that beer barrel built and brewing. You'll need 80 wood, 40 thatch, and 15 fiber to craft it. Once built, place your barrel in a cool, shaded spot. This helps with the fermentation process. Add your 60 thatch, 40 berries, and 120 water into the barrel. Then, simply wait. The fermentation takes approximately 6 in-game hours to complete. Patience is key here. Congratulations, your Arc beer is ready. To collect it, simply use a water skin or canteen on the barrel. Each successful batch yields 5 units of beer. This potent brew offers fantastic benefits, providing a temporary fortitude buff and significantly reducing your stamina drain. However, be mindful that consuming too much will intoxicate your character, causing blurred vision and impaired movement. Drink responsibly, survivors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.